Hey everyone, welcome to Taste Testing with Mr. Beer. My name is Robert.
Matt.
And today we're tasting probably one of our most weirdest creations and one of our most very popular recipes in the last 12 months, 14 months on the Mountain Pop. This is a beer that is brewed with Mountain Dew, the soda. Yeah, let's give it a shot.
For all you Mountain Dew lovers out there.
Yeah.
Slash soda, slash hybrid, slash experimental.
So, this beer is a golden ale, Northern Brewer hops, US-05, and that's it. You do use 2 liters of Mountain Dew in replace of water. So if you're brewing this bad boy, you'll put the Mountain Dew in your fermenter, cold Mountain Dew, instead of the cold water. ABV is like 7%, a little over. I think it's all that sugar in that soda.
Oh, that sugar, yeah. It's just a lot of sugar for that yeast to munch on.
Style is like a cream ale.
It's pretty. It's nice. I mean, it's bright.
It's very pretty
golden
color.
beer. I mean,
it's a little. Probably it's slightly undercarbonated.
On the nose, you can actually smell the Mountain Dew.
You smell Mountain Dew strong.
I mean, you smell that sweet kind of whatever aroma that it is.
Whatever chemicals in Mountain Dew.
Yeah. Whatever it is.
But I feel like it's very easy drinking beer.
I mean, it basically is what it is. It's a beer Coke hybrid.
Yeah. I mean, this would be someone that doesn't like beer would like this beer.
Yes.
Because it doesn't taste anything like beer does.
Yes. And especially if someone who likes kind of syrupy Cokes or sodas. Not necessarily Coca-Cola, but Mountain Dew specifically.
Mountain Dew, or they like sweeter type drinks.
Yeah.
It is sweet.
It is a sweeter beer.
Yeah. Which would be hard to go bottling to know when it's done. But.
Sweet beer, which is the undertone of the malt is just very minimal. Really, the Mountain Dew is prominent.
Yeah.
On the nose, on the palate, everything. It is Mountain Dew.
And I think if you closed your eyes and someone gave it to you, like, oh, that's a glass of Mountain Dew.
Yeah. And it does actually, you know what it has? It has kind of notes. I'm picking up on notes of like white wine. Like it almost has like grapey kind of tones to it. Kiwi-ish, a little bit like that, but it just has little notes of maybe the malt and the Mountain Dew give off.
I feel like I can get that almost like a sparkling.
Yeah, like a sparkling wine of sorts. Yeah,
yeah.
Like a Riesling, like a summer white.
Yeah,
like a
now I can
sparkling
that
wine.
For sure. I never put that together. Yeah, so this would be a beer.
So so all you white wine drinkers might like this one.
Oh man,
because it has a kind of connotations to those as well. That's what I'm getting.
That's interesting. That's a good beer though. I mean, I can see why people like it.
And so residually a little cloying on the tongue and the mouth, and that makes sense. All that sugar.
Yeah.
But it's really not over. I mean, after a few sips, it's not overly sweet. You kind of get used to it.
Your palate adjusts pretty quick.
It does.
I mean, the Mountain Dew taste almost just kind of becomes part of. You're not. I don't know. It just kind of dissipates.
The first sip is always like the sharpest and the hardest, like more sensory perception of it. But then after a few, it's just kind of it becomes more wholesome in the mouth. So that's the right word.
It's got a lot of bubbles in it. You can feel it just kind of sits right on the tip of your tongue right there.
So yeah, so it's got nice carbonation. So there's no residual head hanging out, but it does. I mean, the bubbles are in there.
Yeah.
It's if you give it a nice pour in a glass, like a pint glass size, you probably get a nice
stick for sure
2-finger head on it.
For sure. All right. Well, that was a good beer. I mean,
for all you if you like Mountain Dew,
you're good to go, man. Yeah. Or if you like
white wine.
Yep. And this would be a good beer for summer.
Yes.
Like this
definitely
is like
thirst quencher.
It's like a beer like, let's go play some golf, and I'm gonna stick this in my golf bag.
Hanging out by the pool.
And I'm gonna drink like 2 of these, and just the backpack's gonna suck.
Yeah. Right. Exactly. Yeah. No, it is. It's a good under the sun beer for sure.
All right. Well, that's gonna wrap it for this one, and we will see you guys for the next one. Cheers.
Cheers.